So number 5, one should take care to wipe himself well, for if any amount of excrement remains in his anus, it is forbidden for him to recite the sacred texts. So basically we're talking about the days before the toilet paper. You understand? But even today, I think everybody wipes themselves well, but that's actually halacha. Okay, one should not wipe himself with the right hand. That's very important, not with right hand, because he uses to tie tefillin onto his left arm. Okay, so we wipe ourselves with the left hand. For the same reason, there is for the honor of tefillin, he should not wipe himself with the middle finger of the left hand, because
See, I understand that. I remember learning. My thing is with the left hand, I've gotten very easy with it. The middle finger, I don't know how that's possible. I just only I can't.
No. If you use, for example, 2 fingers or 3 fingers, there is no problem. So the middle finger can be involved, but not only by itself. That's what they mean.
Oh, what? Not by itself?
Not like some people who would use only that finger to wipe themselves.
Oh, people used to use just that finger.
Yes,
so
yeah. So basically what they say, but even today, of course, we using toilet paper, right? So but when you wipe yourself, don't do only with one, like this middle finger, right? But with 2 fingers, that's it. So that's just be careful, yeah.
Okay.
But because we put like a ring, right, around like three times around.
Somebody told me that I understand. When I went to yeshiva, this one kid told me like he would use like just his thumb and his and his index finger, and I'm like, I don't understand how like how you can do it. Like
yes,
okay,
yeah.
So I just usually wrap around my whole hand.
Yes,
the paper, but like the left hand I got used to. That I already do. No problem. But for the middle, to do it without any help from the middle finger.
Yes, no. That's not what I mean.
Okay, good. All right.
Okay, continue. A left-handed person should wipe himself with a hand that is considered his left, right? Meaning his right, which is right of all people. So and it's exactly the same reason. So left-handed person puts his tefillin on his right hand because it's his weaker hand. Okay, that's okay.